This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone down to prevent shorts and accidental inputs. This protects both you and the device. Once off, remove the case and SIM tray so you can access ports freely. Use a flashlight to inspect the lightning port for lint or debris and set your tools, compressed air, a wooden toothpick, and 90% plus isopropyl within reach. This minimizes movement and reduces the risk of pushing debris deeper while you begin the cleaning. With the port illuminated, use short compressed air bursts angled slightly so you blow debris out rather than further in. Do not spray for long durations. Once loose, gently work a dry wooden toothpick along the port walls and across the opening to tease out compacted lint. Move sideways and avoid forceful prying. If you can see the metal contacts, lightly sweep them with a soft anti-static brush to remove fine particles. The goal is to free the connector path without bending or abrading contacts. Finish by very lightly dampening a cotton bud with 90% plus isopropyl and wiping the port edges. Avoid pooling liquid and never pour alcohol into the port. Once done, allow the phone to sit with the port open for 10 to 15 minutes so any residual solvent evaporates fully. This prevents shorts. After reassembling, test charging and data transfer. If problems persist, swap cables and chargers to rule out accessories. If still failing, consult professional repair as a final diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.